Hello. Good to see you. Good to be here. Good to be alive. Today we have a silly question. Then we have a topic, serious topic. And then we have a call to action. And what we're going to talk about today is really important. So good to see you. Good to be here. And good to be alive today. Hello, Nathan. Welcome. Good to see you. Good to be here and good to be alive. So let's get started right away. The silly question is this. If you eat seeds whole, can you poop a garden outside? The hypothesis is yes, because seeds need fertilizer and fecal matter is fertilizer. Now to the serious topic. Hello, Ishnanta. So the serious topic starts here. And here it is. So, Nutritarian diet. Have you ever heard of the Nutritarian diet? The Nutritarian diet is basically a diet full of nutrients. Hey, Ishnanta. A diet full of nutrients. What a wonderful idea. What a new idea. What a revelation. A nutrient-full diet. It consists of, the first thing is, hello. If you're here, say hi. If you're in the recording, say hi. Today we're talking about the Nutritarian diet. And we started out with a silly question, and that was, if you poop outside, can you create a garden? What's up, Mike? So the difference between a Nutritarian diet and the regular standard American diet is that the Nutritarian diet has full calories, and the standard American diet has empty calories full of oils and sugars. So if you take the Nutritarian diet and you start, for example, today, you probably will get bad side effects like headaches, like getting tired easily, like feeling like you have to eat a lot to not get all these side effects. But the reason is not that the change in diet is giving you these problems. The reason is that you are getting withdrawals from all the shitty food you've been eating. So I remember I remember that when I first did the juice cleanse and started the vegan diet, the third day and around the fifth or the sixth day, I was getting like headaches and I felt lightheaded, and it was kind of like a withdrawal where I felt like I had to eat other food, but I just went to sleep and slept it off. Now, what should you substitute if you start a Nutritarian diet? Well, to start off, switch processed fats for nut fats. Almond butter, peanut butter, just different types of nuts. And so when you that are nutty, it's like nutty food to make you nutty, whatever that is, I don't know. And then the second thing you need to do is switch the refined sugars for fruit. The difference between having refined sugars from fruit is different because the fruit has the sugars and it has all the other stuff to process the sugar. Once you have processed sugar, then it increases your your insulin levels. And then the insulin is a growth hormone, and it makes you grow. It makes you fat because you can't grow any taller, so you're gonna grow wider. And then so I think that's it for today. So switch to nutrient-rich foods. And you don't have to snack all day long, like I said. That's the call to action. So if you can today, switch one of the foods that you're eating regularly to a nutrient-rich food. Empty calories to rich calories. Studies have shown that people who eat more nuts and seeds live longer and have less cardiovascular disease and less disease in general, and have decreased mortality and increased vitality. So with that, thank you so much. Eat better, eat more nutritious food. This is the diet I'm gonna do from now on. And today I'm having a new drink. This is a tea here. It's made from sweet potato, onions, and spinach. It's pretty good. So get that at the same location as always, Trader Joe Man's, at any of the locations in Florida, in any state other than Arkansas, because you can't get it in Arkansas. And with that, thank you so much for being a part of this. If you're just plugging in, a little recap for you is that switch to nutrient-rich foods. The Nutritarian diet, basically you eat more nutrient-rich calories instead of empty calories. Standard American diet has empty calories. The Nutritarian diet has full calories, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, dates, and onions. And then that's it. So have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.